All right, last one.
Avatar: The Way of the Water makes more money in its first 10 days than the original film, suggesting that the sequel has staying power. I was curious about this because I had read that some other movie had knocked it out of the top spot.
Which one?
I don't know. I don't remember what it was, but I was like, hey, that seems too soon to knock it out of the top spot. They spent $1 billion on this thing.
And Mo did mention that there wasn't a lot of advertising, like, after the fact.
Yeah, listen, I don't know, man. I'm hearing about it. My kids are talking about it.
Oh, yeah? Really?
I don't know. I think people know about it.
Okay. I'm just living in a bubble.
But the other thing is too with these type of films, it seems that people are going to watch them for a while. It's like it's a little bit of a long tail to it. Have you seen Avatar yet? No, I'll watch it. It's,
yeah, there's like a timeless feel to it.
I'm sure it'll be in theaters for a long time. They'll make sure you have a chance to see it.
Oh, yeah.
But you haven't seen it yet.
I have not.
Well,
I'm excited for it, actually. Mo's been talking like a big game about it.
Yeah,
so.
Mo won't shut up about it, Willie.
It's like the graphics.
Mr. Avatar.
The water.
There. Too bad we didn't have his input on this topic here. So it took in more at the box office, but this often happens with sequels because people already know the brand and they've been waiting for it. And in this case, they've been waiting a long time. $253 million at the box office suggests that the film will maintain momentum into the new year. So it's like spread out from opening weekend until now. People are still going to see it. They're taking their time, but there's still pent up demand for it. And Avatar: The Way of the Water remained at the top of the box office after its second weekend in theater. Okay, maybe I read some garbage. It's possible.
Yeah.
James Cameron's film has now taken $253 million in the United States in its first 10 days of release, despite missing studio expectations on its opening weekend. Oh, so they did have even bigger expectations. It's unbelievable.
Okay.
The previous one did 2.9 billies, which gives, you got to make up some serious, you still got to do some money to get there, Will. These are giant enterprises, these type things. It's just staggering.
And we're paying them.
It's just staggering to imagine what you've got to do to be considered success. You can do many hundreds of millions and be a failure when the expectations are as high as Avatar. Yet, if the expectations are lower, you're not James Cameron, you're just making a movie, and you make hundreds of millions of dollars, everybody's like,
yeah,
fantastic. But in this case, the expectations are so high, budget is so high, that they have to do some kind of astronomical thing just to be acceptable, just to meet the expectation.
Yeah, that's way too much pressure.
It's, oh my God, a hell of a lot of pressure. It's not like us. It's not like us shooting over here and having a time and hitting the button and playing the...
Sometimes not even hitting the button.
Yeah, sometimes skipping the button and
just talking for like an hour.
Whatever the hell's going on over here. Speaking of movies, we had the box for the Netflix.
Glass Onion?
The Glass Onion. So I watched that.
Okay.
And I watched the Knives Out because...
Oh, right on.
Well, I said if I'm going to watch the Glass Onion,
sure, I
should watch the Knives Out to see with the mystery and stuff. And now I'm filled in on the whole thing.
Okay, great.
And
I'm glad.
It was cool because I was curious. They said, the box we sent for the mystery video is a lot like the practical effects.
It's tied in there.
In the movie. And so I was very happy to see that in the movie itself. I felt very connected.
Kind of like, that's the moment.
Right. Yeah. That's right. I felt very connected to it and puzzles and mysteries and stuff. It's kind of cool. Puzzles and mysteries and whatnot. You're not watching it like how you watch a typical story structure. You're watching a little different. Like we were pausing it at different moments. We were saying, "Did you see in the corner? Did you?"
Oh, right.
We were really treating it in that fashion. So it's a cool thing you can do with the genre. But anyway, I watched that movie over the holidays. I don't think I was alone with that either. I heard Daniel Craig got like $50 million for that.
Really?
And they got him for another one now. They're going to do a third one.
Okay.
He's doing $100 million with the detective role.
Yeah, he did a good job.
So shout out Daniel Craig.
Are you gonna watch this?
Do your thing. Yeah, I'll do an Avatar. I'll give him a little piece of the $3 billion or whatever it is they're looking for.
Yeah, you watched it, right?
No, I didn't. I haven't seen the first one.
Oh
so
my God!
I have to go and watch that one. And
Mo would be very depressed.
I want to go watch that one. Well, it's okay. It's all good, Will. Lots of time. I'm on a little, I got a little bit more time right now for like the next week or whatever. So maybe it's gonna happen right now. Who knows? Thank you very much to everybody who joined here today. Thank you very much, Will, as usual, for putting things together. I hope everybody had a happy holiday. As I said before, hopefully you dug yourself out of some snow if that was an issue for you. Maybe you melted some ice off of a car. I don't know what you had to do, but I'm happy you did it. And I'm happy that you were here with us for this moment right now.
And Happy New Year.
Oh, yeah. Happy New Year coming up real soon. Okay. Later, guys.